So I just turned on the headlights on my 2013 Ford Escape. Normally, every light on this car should turn on. Well, unfortunately, the license plate light, it's not on. I have decided to make this quick video to show you how to replace your license plate light bulb on your 2013 Ford Escape. So to replace the license plate light bulb, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, a box cutter, and of course the light bulb. It is number 168, so when you go to the store you know what to get. And finally a small piece of paper, a small piece of napkin, I mean, you can use gloves if you want to, but so what you want to do when you open the trunk, you don't want the trunk to be open all the way up, so you want it to be halfway so you can have access just to your left. So I don't open the trunk all the way up, so it's halfway through. So then you're gonna want to use the small flathead screwdriver. There is a tab, a black tab right here. You press it and then you pull the light bulb chamber out. Then to get the light bulb out, you just twist the light bulb counterclockwise, and then you pull it out. Then you make sure that you put this chamber somewhere safe, you don't lose it. Now you're gonna use a piece of napkin to pull out the old light bulb. You're going to use the box cutter to cut the plastic over the new light bulb, and then you're gonna dump the light bulb on that piece of napkin. Now at this point you're gonna take all the necessary precaution not to touch the new light bulb. Then you're gonna go ahead, slide it into the chamber, and then you're going to test the light bulb, make sure it's working before you proceed. Now that we confirm that the light bulb is working, we can go and put it back in its chamber, and making sure that we don't touch it while we're doing so. Subsequently, the light bulb for the license plate on the passenger side is still working. However, it's not as bright as the new light bulb, so I have decided to replace that as well. But there's also one thing that I should mention. There is a certain way for you to put in the light bulb. If you put it the wrong way, the light bulb won't light up. So if you look at the light bulb, there's a red dot on this one side of the light bulb that you have to carefully put it on its position. If you do not put it on the right position, it won't light up. So if you put it the first time it doesn't light up, just pull it out and then reverse the polarity so it will work. So make sure that you put the light bulb on the right polarity for it to work. This is our DP. I just demonstrate how to replace your license plate light bulb on your 2013 Ford Escape. I hope that you like this video, and of course please subscribe to this channel for more videos and more giveaways. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.